Hey guys, guess what I got? Well, you already know because you saw the title to the video, but it is my custom planner order, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I also got some sticker books, and I'm going to show you those too, but here it is. This is so exciting. Oh, let me see if I can get it out of the box. All right. So, y'all want to see what I got? Let's see. Oh, I got to open this. Let's do like this, and I got stuff on here. I just finished my video for my Skinny Mini, the one where Mia like crashed the big box and scared me. Wow, look at how pretty. Oh my gosh. All right, I was really torn between this one and the one that's like black with a bunch of colors, and I almost want to just order another one, but I know I shouldn't. Oh, I like it. Okay, let's look. Oh, let's see if I can turn. Now that'll make it too dark. Just want to get it without the glare for you guys. There you go. No glare. But then you can't see the gold. Okay, so I got this. It says Big Plans, and I love that it was just neutral on the inside. Are my lights on? Everybody's on? Yes. Okay. I'm gonna make sure you guys can see it good. And then here are the dividers. Aim for perfectly imperfect. You know, I could not see the dividers really good on the website, so I'm really excited to see them here. Ooh, very pretty. Let's see. Let me move this a little bit. There. Okay, so that's January. February, everything will come to you at the right time. Really pretty. Ooh, I'm loving it. Okay, March. This is going to be my my work planner for next year. I mean, I already had one, but they did this custom, so I kind of had to get it. Do more things that bring you real and honest joy. Beautiful. May, trust that you've done enough. So pretty. If it comes, let it. If it goes, let it. I like that. Ooh, look how pretty. Oh, this one's like the cover. I love it. July. This is beautiful. You got this. In August. In September, find beauty everywhere. Oh my gosh. Do what makes you happy for October. Oof, this one's bright. Enjoy the beauty of becoming. Okay. Nice. December. And the back cover. It is really, really pretty, guys. Okay, so let's put this bad boy together, and then we'll look through my sticker books. So I also ordered the Stress Management Expansion Pack. This one, because that's what I'm using right now for fitness. So look at that. It comes with a bunch of date stickers and a face that's like, not happy. That's weird. I wonder why they wouldn't. Oh, they did put a happy face. Okay. Oh, and a sad face. Cool. Nice. All right. So I've got a bunch of date stickers. That's great. And so this is how it would start, huh? So it'll be like this. I'll just switch to that one. And then it's got this page, and it opens up to the monthly. And then the weekly pages. We know what those look like. Is it just weekly? Wow, they're okay. And then, oh, these are different than the one I'm using now. Nice. The other one has like a whole bunch of writing. And this is cool because this is where I put my goals. And this will just be like for decoration. That works perfectly. And then it says month of. Oh, so there's no divider for this one. Okay, so the extension packs do not have dividers, I guess. All right. You know what? I've got plenty of dividers that I can put in there. So, and here's the planner, or the planner pages. I did choose the monthly layout for this one because that is what I use for my work planner. You guys know that. So, let's see. Keep getting out of frame. So, 25, 26. We've got these. It's all very, very neutral. No color whatsoever. January. And I know somebody had on theirs, the dates were messed up, so I'm going to have to double check. But there we go. Very neutral. That'll be so much easier. Although I do like, I'm not crazy about these dark circles. I do prefer the little, just the gray, you know, like the gray shaded ones, but whatever. I'm sure I'll get used to them. And here's the journal note pages, and then the back page, which I use for my stats. So there's that. And then February, which of course we'll be putting in our dividers. So, and then I got these gold disc because I thought that they would look the best with my cover. So let's go ahead and take those out. And so this was one of the main reasons that I wanted to buy this was because of this thing. I don't know, I just think it's so cool. So you put your little disc in here, and supposedly, now watch it not be good, but supposedly it makes it easier to put, oh, and I got 2 extra because this is a classic. Interesting. All right, so let's go ahead and let's put this on. I'm gonna move the box. It's a nice box. I really love the box. Does this come out? Oh, it does. So look at that. So Julie from Plans in the Making, I hope you're ordering one because this is a really nice box, and I know you like boxes, girl. Like I do. Okay, so let's see. Let's put this on here. So is it easier? I mean, I think so, because they're not all wobbly. You know what I mean? They're kind of just staying there. Will I, like reach for it every time I want to make a notebook? Yeah, probably, now that I think about it. Let's see. Okay, so it would start with this. I'm definitely going to have to decorate that because, wow, is that plain? I guess they had to make them match all of the, everybody's planners. Or maybe I'll just take one of my, one of the other cover pages that's prettier and put it on there, So then there's January. And then I'm going to put January like that. I don't know if this is easier or not. I mean, kind of. Let's see. January. All right, I'm going to do 1 month. And then I will move it to the side and do, or maybe I'll just like speed up the video. Because I can't imagine this being too exciting for you guys, watching me put this on here. And then I'll just flip through it afterwards. All right, so that was that one. And now I am going to fast forward the video. All right, so this is the end of December, and then it looks like they sent an extra month. That's interesting. So here's December, and then I've got this. It's just a blank month of, oh, 1, that's 2. Wow, all right then, 2 extra months were included in my my custom planner. And you guys, I am just in love with this color. It's just like it's like pink and peach, and look at this, it's beautiful. I'm really happy with my choice. It is a really, really pretty planner. Okay, so let's do a quick flip through. So here's January and February, and I feel like this is a missed opportunity. Like, they could have put something interesting here, right? Or like, I don't know, maybe a dot grid or something. So I don't know. I'll have to think of something for there. That was March, and then April, and then I'm going to look through those sticker books and see what I got, because I totally forgot what I even ordered. May, and I love it. May, ooh, and this is just like the cover. June, July, and August. And then September, it was so pretty. October, November, December. All right, and there's December. And then I will add my my stress management layout. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not, or if I'm just going to have it in a separate planner, because the one I'm using right now actually has all of next, it's like I started it in the middle of the year, so I've got January through July. That would just have to be redated. So I don't know if I'll redate or if I'll just go ahead and switch to this one, which would probably be a lot easier. So I'm going to save this one. And the verdict on this is it's good at first. When you're first getting it together and you know that the rings go like all crazy on you when you're trying to put the papers in. But once you have a few of the papers in, then it's easier to do it without this. So I like it. It's not as awesome as I thought it was going to be. Okay, so let's look at what sticker books did I get. It's always a surprise to me because I'll order stuff and then I'll be like, oh yeah, that's what I ordered. Ooh, organic wellness. Let's just do some quick flip throughs. So you guys may have already seen these. And this has a lot of the same colors. And it's, oh, look at these. Those are habit trackers. How cute. So different. I like that. Current mood. I'm feeling happy because I just got my new planner. That is cute. I love these colors. How did I not see this one before? My happy list, daily gratitude. Okay. I don't know why I didn't see this sticker book before, but I am totally loving the colors in it. Yes, I am. And these are very cute. A bunch of little palm trees. Ah, so cute. Okay. All right. Well, I'm happy with that choice. Let's see what's the next one. Wild type. I did not have this one either. So these are all completely new to me. What is this happy planner? Ew. I don't know what that is. Looks like mud, which is weird. Or dirt. Okay. Look at him. That's pretty. His face. These are cute. I did not have this one either. Oh, nice. Oh, I like that orange washi. I wish they had like 4. Do 4. Because so, look at these. Definitely doing a bird spread. Most definitely. That is going to be a really pretty spread. And I'm already seeing, I'm going to use blue and orange washi. Ah, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yes. Aww. And they've got a cute little face. She's smiling. And the tigers. How did I miss these sticker books? I'm so glad that I ordered them. Nice. Blank boxes. Perfect. So useful. That is a very cute book. And this one. Halloween. Creep It Real. Big eyeball. And these are just circles. Little monthly boxes. Cute. Oh, look at that. To do with the little bat. And this book, I think it's from last year, isn't it? This book is 2024. Nope, that's this year. Cute. And the coffins. Life of the party. If you've got it, haunt it. Those are cute. Too fun, too fun. I like that one. Nice. Oh, look. 1 day till Halloween. 2 days till Halloween. 6 days till Halloween. I'll have to remember to use this. I wonder how I can use that. I need to think of something. Cute little ghosts. Mushrooms. Skeleton. Ooh, those are cool. Oh, and the potion bottles. Cute. Well, I'm happy with this book too. Wow. I did good. Super cute stuff. And that was it. It was 3 sticker books and my new beautiful planner that I have to wait to use. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys get a custom planner too. It's really kind of fun just to put it all together and pick it out yourself. And if not, that's fine too, because you know, sometimes you get stuff on D-Stash. I buy so much stuff on D-Stash and put planners together that way too. But this was fun. I'm glad I got it. And the 3 books are Organic Wellness, Wild Type, Halloween, and I will link them down in the video description. I would love it if you use my links to shop. That really helps me out to continue doing what I do. All right, guys, bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.